Ladies and gentlemen, the COVID-19 pandemic has seriously affected the tourism sector in Cần Thơ City. Specifically, from the beginning of the year to the present, the city has only welcomed and served more than 2.1 million tourists, down more than 62% year-on-year. And to gradually restore the Tây Đô tourism sector, the city's functional departments have made great effort in proposing solutions to restore and stimulate demands associated with adaptation, safety, and flexibility. One of them is the Cần Thơ Tourism Fair held online, which will take place at the end of December.
According to the plan, the Cần Thơ Online Tourism Fair in 2021, with the message joining hands to restore the tourism sector, Cần Thơ a safe and attractive destination, will be held on a digital platform and is expected to take place from December 22, 2021 to January 10, 2022, in which some main activities will take place within 2 days, December 22nd and 23rd, 2021. The tourism fair is expected to gather about 100 booths of tourism units, localities and businesses in Cần Thơ City and all the provinces and cities across the country participate in. The exhibition space will have an eye-catching design with the main hall and booths of localities, tourism businesses, introducing and promoting products and services with image, video clips, and so on.
The new thing is this activity will follow resolution number 2 of Cần Thơ City Party Committee and plan number 241 of Cần Thơ City People's Committee on promoting digital transformation in the near future. The second new point is through the online travel fair. We will create conditions to continue to promote tourism products and promote the image of Cần Thơ City to tourists. The third, the new point is through the organization of this fair. The Cần Thơ tourism sector, as well as tourism businesses, raise awareness about the application of information technology in product purchase, promotion, and marketing to promote strongly developed tourism to meet the needs of digital transformation.
In parallel with sending notices and invitations to participate in the fair to localities and businesses, the organizing board has completed the design and interface of the website of the Cần Thơ Online Tourism Fair, as well as receiving and checking registration information. As of December 10, the participation of nearly 20 units and businesses from provinces and cities nationwide was recorded.
The preparatory work up to this time has been basically completed. On December 22, we will ask as an advisor to the department. Then the city will conduct the opening and organize the association and signing between the city and Vietnam Airlines.
Aside from promoting advertisement activities and stimulating the demand for attractive products and services on the digital platform, this fair also held a seminar with the theme of joining hands to restore the tourism sector, Cần Thơ a safe and attractive destination to open a new direction for Tây Đô tourism sector in a new normal condition.